Hey guys, welcome back to Southland. Today I'm in Milford Sound for a special trip to go on a ship called Milford Heaven, right over there, just right there.
Okay.
You guys will have a closer look when we go.
Hey mate, you with us today?
Yes.
Nice one. Get on down.
Thank you very much.
Hi, where are you going? Hi, how are you guys?
Okay.
This is the inside. This is where we came in, and I'm pretty sure this might be the dining. Yep, it's the dining area. This is where we're gonna do all the dining stuff. And here's more dining stuff areas. And here's more dining stuff areas. And this is a lot of dining stuff areas. And here's some of the merchandise. Here's, you guessed it, more dining places. And that's pretty much it. Oh wait, we forgot one area. This one. You guessed it, more dining areas. How much dining areas? So it's time to take off. Let's go to the deck. The high deck. Before it casts off. Wait, is this supposed to be a garden area type thing? There's grass. Yep, we're casting off, I think. Yeah, we're casting off.
Yes, we are going backwards.
This is slow, going backwards. Okay. Oh, yep. If you be quiet, you can hear the noise of that. Oh, I feel the boat shaking. Oh, I see the captain. There's the captain. Oh, there's another boat that casted off.
Alright, well welcome aboard the Haven once again everyone, and a very warm welcome to Milford Sound. Beautiful sort of Fiordland day that we have out there.
There he is with the
A little bit of drizzle, but the forecast is meant for things to clear up. And rain is not all bad here in Milford Sound. It creates many spectacular
that's
waterfalls.
shaking me.
And pops up all of their much needed permanent waterfalls as well.
I really
We're
like
cruising the southern
how
side of
they
Milford Sound
here.
today as we head in for the Tasman Sea, and we will return via the northern side. Along the way, hopefully find some wonderful informative crew places around the vessel. If you have any requirements today or you need any assistance, don't be afraid to ask the team. To begin with, folks, I'm just going to run through a quick safety briefing in case something along these lines. The muster station on the Haven is on deck. So if anything goes wrong throughout today's journey, we'll signal this by sounding the general alarm, or 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on the ship. With an announcement on the PA system, which is where you might be asked to make your way to the muster station. Once again, that's the top deck. Doesn't really matter where you are on the boat, the easiest way to get there is head to the back and use the stairs to reach the top. One of the crew would be there to issue any instructions that you may have, and you'll be happy to know that the stop.
There's a waterfall.
Yeah, so if you have
I
any
did not notice that. I just noticed it right now. day is they roamed New Zealand. They were called the early settlers, and so they just were like there. That time there was no houses, no stuff like that. So they really just lived.
So on this trip, we're going to head up the south side of the fjord.
And
We're going to get up to the Tasman Sea, have a look around.
They ate moa, which is a big New Zealand duck type ostrich thing. And it's time to pick up this. We covered the entire boat. Hopefully, we did. So let's check out more upstairs.
Over to the left where that boat is on that rock sticking out. This is called Copper Point, and that weather station up there is telling boats around here how windy it is.
They don't know they're on YouTube.
Ауграги силста валяли.
Oh, seals! Hello? Seals or maybe sea lions? Oh, that is so cool. What are they trying to do? Oh guys, there's a New Zealand falcon right over there. Those are quite rare to find in New Zealand because we don't have much falcons here.
Take a look over to the left.
So this is the area. They told us to look to the left. Okay, what's over there? Oh, look at the lady.
Here in Milford, we don't actually have a top waterway. We're only having 3 routes that fall on
This is just the view of the back deck
all
area.
the city. It actually got their roots at the tracks.
And these are supposed to be picnic decks for a sunny day, I guess. But sadly, it's not a sunny day today. So I got changed, ready for a big waterfall. And it was very fun. Everybody tried to get themselves wet. And the captain was going into the waterfall. But I was imagining when we got the tickets, I was imagining we were going to go through the waterfall, but this is also fun, just going in front of it, and there's a glacier mountain on top, that's where all the water starts falling. And if you haven't taken a shower, it's your time to take a shower right now. But if you want to take a shower, make sure you're hot water, because the water should be cold, very cold. So this is what we're gonna be eating. We got vegetarian pizza, fish and chips, and I ordered the fish and chips and pizza, and they gave us these to you.
Yo.
It's turning around! Wow, this is great!
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, what's happening?
It's turning around. Oh, there we go. It's getting a little fast. Never mind.
Hold on, what's happening? Why you are holding on to it?
It's shaking.
Why you are holding on to the rail?
The boat's turning around. And it's going straight, but I still feel it. There we go. If you go there, probably 100 miles, you will find a plot of land known for its red hot deserts and its white beaches called Australia, which has a lot of animals.
And snakes.
And snakes.
And
Don't forget.
spiders.
And spiders. Time to finish my pizza.
Skip the case station, found some more wildlife.
Now we're back, and that's the end of this video. Bye.